This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Erica Ashcraft. Welcome home to this charming property in one of the area's most desirable neighborhoods. This home features new LVP flooring throughout, a bright open floor plan, a fully updated kitchen, and a spacious backyard retreat perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The heart of the home is the stunning kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, new cabinetry, custom built-in storage, and a large island that flows seamlessly into the living areas, ideal for group gatherings or casual evenings in. Outside, enjoy a large, private backyard with mature trees, an oversized patio, and a custom pergola, making the perfect space for summer barbecues or quiet mornings with coffee. Located close to top-rated schools, parks, and shopping, this home combines modern style and charm. Whether you're just starting out or growing your household, this is the perfect place to put